Stalkerware or spouseware is powerful surveillance software used to spy on a partner. Once downloaded, it allows someone to see and hear everything a person is doing on or near their phone or computer. According to cybersecurity researchers, stalkerware is a growing problem, particularly for vulnerable women. I've downloaded the software and recruited my colleague Joanne to test it. You're going to use this phone. This is effectively we'll call it the perpetrator's phone.
Okay.
And you're the perp. You've got access to everything I do on this phone. We'll call this phone the victim's phone. So if you look at that phone there, that's your dashboard. So you are all set to effectively spy on me for the next 2 days. Just give for one whiteboard marker, whiteboard pen, just a black one.
Joe is buying a whiteboard marker.
Oh, okay.
And I can hear it. Can you hear it?
You've got a black one.
That is so bizarre. I can see Joe picking up a bike. I can also flip between the front camera and the back camera on Joe's phone. This is quite creepy. I can see where Joe's moving. It's not just updating every so often, it's a live image. It's just gone 10 o'clock at night, so I'm going to try and see his screen now. I think it might be Candy Crush again. I can't just see what he's up to right now, but I can see what he's been doing over the course of the past few hours. There are alerts at the top of the screen for his text messages, for social media. So there seems to be a record function where I can go back through all the calls that Joe's made and listen to them.
Oh, I'm an idiot. I haven't really got an excuse. I think I might have been tired or distracted. So Joe, it's fair to say you learned a lot about me through spying. Can I have that back?
Yeah, you can take that.
Thank you. The amazing thing was for me, obviously knew that you were filming me or listening in or reading my messages, but I had no idea when. Nothing happened, the screen stayed blank unless I was playing with it. No notifications, no battery use, but this data was being sent to you all the time. Victims like Amy, not her real name, say stalkerware is being used as a tool for domestic abuse.
There were just little things that were dropped into conversation that never felt right. He knew details about my friends. I began to wonder how he knew where I was all the time.
This is the moment Amy found out the truth, by accident.
I saw an alert, an email alert that said daily report on my Mac. And I just had this chill go through me. I stopped breathing for a minute.
The advice from security experts to stop stalkerware being added to your device is don't leave your device unattended. Most software downloads require physical access. Don't use biometrics. Thumbprints can be used without your knowledge. And download security software. Cybersecurity apps can detect stalkerware and remove it.